In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play 2v2 in Stick War 3. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase how you can do a 2v2 battle in Stick War Saga. So, after you set up your deck, you go through the initial progression. If you want to do a 2v2 match, tap on play at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you will find 2v2 in here. So, it is going to prompt you to select a game mode. By default, campaign will be selected, so all that you have to do is choose among the modes here at the bottom. So you will have 1v1, 2v2, and then events. All that you have to do is choose 2v2. You will have 2v2 multiplayer standard and 2v2 multiplayer deathmatch. So at the moment that I'm recording this video, standard has 323 players versus 697 on deathmatch, so it seems like deathmatch is the most popular option. So all that you have to do now is tap on play. You will see a history of games and then all of your decks. You can swipe between all of them to choose a specific one. And once you are satisfied, tap play. Immediately, matchmaking will begin. So if a match is found, I'll show you the beginning of the match, so I'll just let this run. Sadly, I won't go too in depth about what you can do to win, the best decks, and other information. This is only supposed to be a video showing you how you can queue up to play 2v2, but as you can see, it was actually quite fast. So everyone will load in. You can see the loading bars at the top left, and once everyone is inside of the game, you will be able to take control of your units, spawn them, and play Stick War 3 on a 2v2 multiplayer mode. And of course, this is going to be against real players. You will have a rank attributed to you after each win, and you can climb through all of the rankings. Now, before I end this video, I want to highlight something that I've noticed when I check the channel metrics. As you can see, 83% of the people who watch our videos are not subscribed. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. We highly count on your support to make higher quality videos about Stick War 3 or any other subject. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.